Hi, my name is Anthony Chicca. I'm the production manager for EMPI in the cylinder head division. We have two classes of heads, the stock 040 replacement casting and our GTV2 high performance casting. The 040 casting is pretty much a stock replacement head. We get the head bare and we supply it with Italian OSFAT stock style valves. All ported heads now come with our Manley spec valves that were made specifically for EMPI, and they come with a LS single groove Chevrolet style keeper. We install our spec USA made guides and seats, and then we do 100% of the machine work to finish the head here in-house. We install our own guides, we hone our own guides, we install our own seats, bore, cut for dual springs, everything. And we offer these in a non-ported version and a ported version. EMPI offers 6 different ports, and we also have the ability to digitize and make custom ports, and we're constantly evolving and working on new setups, so I'll get it fired up. So as the part comes off the machine, we do periodic checks to verify all our specifications, make sure the machine's cutting right. We'll check bore diameter, we'll check the bore on the seat diameter, make sure we have enough press for the seat installation, and just kind of get ahead of any problems that may arise during the machining process. Okay, the third step is cutting for the seat pockets. We found that the concentricity of how you put the seats in the head really affects the valve job. So not only are we working with the interference fit between the seat pocket and the seat to make sure the seats don't fall out, we're also making sure that it's concentric to the guide. So we actually come down and we'll probe each individual guide and then store those numbers in the machine, and then we'll cut to that individual number. So if there's any variance in the head from as manufactured, we can take up those discrepancies and make sure everything is lined up properly. And we end up with a better valve job and a better seal at the end because the seats are put in the right location. And get it.
That's badass.
So after the head comes off the machine and the seat pockets are bored, we verify the diameter and the press fit. Once everything is ready, then we'll deburr the head and prep the seat for installation. So after the seat installation, we'll bring it over to our Rottler SG7 and we'll cut the valve seats on here. And if we have to, we'll blend bowls and a couple different operations, but this gives a very concentric valve job and a good seal, and we can design any kind of profile we want on a single cutter, and it cuts all the angles at once. So after all the machine processes are done, everything's complete, clean, we do our final checks just to make sure everything is up to spec. Valve stem heights, rocker geometry, everything is going to be right, and we do our final assembly. Put a little oil on the valve. And there we have a finished ported EMPI head ready for boxing and shipping.